Okay, so what's my plan for today? Monday, 8:47. Been pretty well locked down and haven't been doing much flying lately, but I'm planning a trip out here to Wat Nang Sao. And so I've got it on the map, and the beauty of getting around in Thailand is Google Maps. Without Google Maps, you wouldn't know where you were. So let's have a look. I'm going to get some directions. I'm going to Wat Nang Sao. My starting point will be, and it's right next to this, I know I've been there before, so I want to go back. There's an interesting river, the Tai Chin. It's only, I'm going to take this route, 25 kilometres, and let's see. You can just click on that and you can see what it looks like, see. I know I've been there. I went there with a friend of mine last year, so we'll do it again. So I'll do a bit of flying out there and I'll be posting that later today. So I'm using, I'll just pop that back in there. And yeah, well, let's hope we have all a good day.